Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ben and today is a really special day because I get to show you my new Bird AETHER 7. I picked this up off eBay for £800, which is a really good deal for this bike anyway, but it's even better because the previous owner only rode it for about 20 miles. This bike comes with a pretty high spec, as you can see. It consists of a RockShox Deluxe Sled Plus, RockShox Revelation forks, nuke-proof Neutron wheels, Shimano SLX 1x12 drivetrain, SRAM DB8 brakes, Brandex dropper post, which is about 170mm, Hope seat post clamp, and a Spank stem. So today I want to try and better my record on a Strava segment called Rutfest DH. The KOM on it is 50 seconds and my personal record is 53. So with this new bike, maybe I'm within a shout of getting it. But there's only one way to find out. In order to get to the start, we've got a little bit more climbing, then a short descent, then a bit of flat, and then we'll be there. Should be good. Would you look at that? With the magic of editing, we've arrived at the top of the hill. So we've got to go down here, then along, and then we'll be at the top of the segment. There's no Strava segment for this bit, but still worth doing anyway, isn't it? Oh, come on, bit damp. That's for sure. No, in fact it's very damp. Just a little bit. Where am I going? Bit of bushwhacking for the new bike. Sorry if the camera's got water on it. So now it's just along, and then we'll be at the top of the new segment. Well, it's not a new segment. I haven't ridden this in probably about 6 months. Could be all washed out. Don't know whether it's rideable. Don't know anything. All I know is the KOM on it is 50 seconds. My personal record's 53 seconds. And I hope to beat that today. So, there's only one way to find that out, isn't there? Gotta go hit it. See you at the top. Oh, I tell you, I clearly haven't ridden this for a long time. I called this flat. It's a lot more of a climb than you would actually think. Also, this bike, the seat tube angle is perfect. It climbs like an absolute goat. My old bike, it will climb, but it was definitely a lot more difficult than this bike. I love this bike, it's so nice. Okay, so the segment starts somewhere just over the top of this hill. So probably better to start getting some speed up now. We do have to cross through a little stream, so I'll try and wipe the camera as much as possible, but obviously it's not always possible. And finally, the wind noise could be really terrible, but I'll try and do my best to edit it. Here it goes. Oh, this bike is so nice! Whoa, that always happens. Whoa, that's a lot work. Whoa. No! And over the bridge. That was amazing. Oh, that was amazing. Okay, and all that's left to do now is go home before the sun goes down, because I don't have any lights, which is probably a bit stupid. Well, see if I can record a bit more. Gotta get a thumbnail. See you later. So we just saved the Strava in this pretty picturesque location. Came to have a look, and as it turns out, Strava lost its GPS connection and didn't record that beautiful descent over there. So gonna have to try this again another day, but for now we've got a little bit more descending to do and try to get back before that big orange ball goes behind the horizon. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's skip these puddles out. And we're gonna skip out this bog because no place right through there where there's this lovely bypass, which is still got me. Whoa, it is slippy. Ooh. Nearly at the end. Right, this is probably the steepest part of the whole ride. It's the last bit. Whoa, this is never normally this slippy. So we probably couldn't have picked worse conditions weather-wise day to do this. The whole trail was slippy everywhere we went, but it was fine. Gonna have to come back in some dry weather and try and get the KOM, aren't I? So it's just an excuse for another ride.